Good morning, students. Welcome to BCA 5th semester. We are from KLE Society's Bachelor of Computer Application, GH College, Haveri. Myself, Venkatesh Kalal. Right? Myself, Venkatesh Kalal. So far this semester, I am handling a subject called Operation Research. Right? So let us learn this subject. Right? So, as a part of an introduction, we will study what is operation research and what are its applications. Fine. So, as a part of introduction, we will first learn what is the term called as operation research and what are its applications. Fine. So now study what is operation research, the meaning. Fine. Operation research is the scientific study of operations for the purpose of making better decisions. So what will be the better decision to make? Fine. Next one is operation research is an art and science. These are the different definitions given by the different people. It is a science which deals with problem and formulation and getting the solution for that problem and finally making an appropriate decision. It is the most often used to analyze complex real life problems, typically with the goal of improvement and optimizing performances. So, operation research is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basics for decision regarding operations under their control. It is also operation research is a scientific method of providing an solution with an analytics and objective. Right? Operation research is the application of scientific methods. Operation research is art of giving bad answer to the problems to which otherwise worse answers are given. So this is the most popular definition of OR. I will go through it once again. It is an art of giving bad answers where you can expect very worst answer. So it is also called as operation research is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. Fine. Further, operation research. So what is operation research here? So this word operations and research, it is there are two words. So let us study what these two words say about. So operations, it is nothing but the activities carried out in an organization. It may be a company or it may be an education institutes or whether it may be an airlines, whatever it may be. So what are the operations which are carried out in an organization? There comes next is research. So it is the process of observation and testing by the scientific method. What are the situations which are there in organization? What are the problems which are there in organization? What are the different models to be constructed? How those models are to be validated and how the experiment should be conducted on those models and how to get the candidate solutions. Fine. So operation research is a quantitative approach to the design making based on the scientific method of problem solving. Fine. So operation research is a scientific approach. Again, more times I'm telling you, it is a scientific approach which consists of why we need to go for scientific approach to get an executive decision making. So what that decision consists of? So the art of mathematical modeling of complex solution, the scientific or decisions or scientific approach contains complex solutions. So we need to use the mathematical modeling to get that complex solutions in complex situations. The science of development of solution techniques used to solve these models. So many other techniques, mathematical modeling techniques are used to solve the problems, fine, which has been existed by the complex situations. The ability to effectively communicate the results to be decision makers. So, mean what? The decision makers will get ability to make effective decisions. So, what are the how this operation research word came into an existence? Fine. So, the British or Europeans refer to the operational research, whereas Americans refers to operations research, but both are often shortened to just OR, operation research or operations research or operational research. But for our syllabus, we will say it as operation research. Fine. So another term used for this field is management science, that is MS. In US, OR and MS are combined together as OR slash MS or ORMS, that is operation research and management science. So yet another term is used is industrial engineering and decision science, IEDS, industrial engineering and decision science. Next, how this operational research subject or thing came into existence. So let us, we need to go for the history now. Fine. The main origin of operation research was during the Second World War. Fine. So in Second World War, this concept of operation research was came into existence. So at that time, the military management in England called upon a team of scientists to study the strategic and tactical problems related to the air and land defense. So, to calculate the tactical and strategies regarding air and land defense, so military management in England called the team for a meeting. Since they have very limited resources in regards to air, in regards to land defense. So it was necessary to decide upon the most effective utilization of them. Example, the efficient ocean transportation or the effective bombing, fine, the effective uh, resource utilization of the military. Hence, OR has came into existence during the Second World War. Hence, OR is also defined as, or it is associated with an art of winning the war without actually fighting it. Fine. So 70 years ago, it would be possible to study mathematics, physics, engineering at university. It would not have been possible to study OR. Fine. So in the decade after the World War, Second World War, the techniques began to be applied more widely in the problem of business and industries. And so, after the end of the Second World War, the success of military teams attracted the attention of industrial managers who were seeking solutions to their complex ex- executive types of problems. The most common problem was like what method should be applied so that the cost is minimum, so that the profit is maximum. Fine. So apart from military and business applications, the OR activities include in transportation system, maybe library, hospital, city planning, financial institutes. Since the time operation research has expanded into a field widely used in industries, ranging from petrochemical to airlines, finance, logistics, government, library, transportation, hospital, city planning, etc. Now it has become an area of active academic industrial research. Right? So the techniques of operational research have been applied and proven in many industries under different names, such as learn or lean in manufacturing, supply chain in logistics, and yield management in airlines. So these are the new terms which has been given different names in different industries. So the next topic comes applications of operation research. The examples of where OR has been successful in recent years are the following. For example, we will take the first one, that is airline industry. So why they are going to use operation research in airline industry? The things are like routing and flight planning, crew scheduling, revenue management. Next comes telecommunication. So again, they are using operation research in telecommunications for network routing, queue control, and many other applications. Here comes manufacturing company. So system throughput and bottleneck analysis, inventory control, production scheduling, capacity planning, healthcare, transportation. Fine. In these are all the areas where the operation research is used, that is in strategic planning, supply chain management, pricing and revenue management, logistics and site location optimization, marketing research, scheduling, portfolio management, inventory analysis, forecasting, sales analysis, auctioning, risk analysis. Fine. These are the different areas. So in many other areas also the operations research is used, but these are some listed areas of applications of operation research.